Controversial Nigerian cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, has lost his father, Kunle Okuneye. Son of the deceased, Debola Okuneye, confirmed the news when he disclosed that the male baby's father died in the wee hours of Monday morning. Speaking on the death, a friend and colleague of the deceased noted that the deceased will be buried according to Islamic rites. Big Brother Naija All-Stars housemate Venita Akpofure has revealed she is a victim of domestic abuse. According to her, she suffered abuse at the hands of her father. She said it happened while growing up. The mother of two alleged that her father was physically abusive towards her, adding that when she got married, her husband Tena Taka also subjected her to abuse. Netizens have reacted to the revealing outfit worn by former Big Brother Naija housemate Erica. Amidst the highlights of the bbnaija All-Stars show, which many of her colleagues have shared their takes on, Erica, however, caught the attention of many in a different way. The actress wore a sparkling silver outfit that had her chest suffocated and her bosoms stranded without shelter. Do you think Erica's outfit was too revealing?